Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, the teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 8 mathematics subject. Okay, so in our previous classes we have done some of the simplification. Okay, today's class also we are going to do some more simplification. Okay, so let's start our class. Okay, simplification we are going to do today also. Okay, so our first question is, if a minus b is equal to 5 and ab is equal to 75, then find the value of a square plus b square. Okay, our question is, if a minus b is equal to 5 then and ab is equal to 75, then find the value of a square plus b square. So what is given here? Given thing is a minus b is equal to 5. Okay, this is given to us and we need to find the value of a square plus b square. So what we have to do, the given thing, okay, the value which we are going to find and the given thing will give you the hint. Okay, whose value you are going to find, it is in the square form. So what we have to do, what we'll do is squaring both sides. We will find the square on both sides. So squaring both sides. So if you find the square on both sides, then what it will be? A minus b, its whole square is equal to 5 whole square. Okay, so we should know the formula for a minus b whole square, and I think all of we know the formula for a minus b whole square. What is that formula? That is your a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to, what is the square of 5? That is your 25. Okay, so now let's put the value here. A square minus 2, what is the value of this AB? It is given in the question. Okay, value of AB is your 75. So in place of AB I will write 75 into 75 plus B square is equal to 25. After this, please you see here. Okay, so let's multiply here. A square minus 2 into 75 is your minus 150 plus b square is equal to 25. Okay, so now minus 150 transferred to right hand side, we will get a square plus b square is equal to 25 plus 150. Okay, so what is the value of a square plus b square? A square plus b square is equal to 25 plus 150, that is your 175. Okay, so the value of a square plus b square is 175. Okay, it's very easy. Just see the given thing, what are given thing to you. Okay, and whose value you are going to find, a square plus b square. Okay, so if a square plus b square, so what I have done, I have taken the square on both sides. Okay, so after that I have written here the formula for a square minus b square, that is your a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so in place of this ab I have substitute the value, that is your 75. Okay, after that I have just done the multiplication of these two numbers. Okay, then I have transferred this to right hand side and we got the answer. Okay, or the value of a square plus b square. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now let's see another question. Okay, similar question I will do. Okay, it will make you more easier to understand. Let's try another question. So if x minus y is equal to 3 and xy is equal to 40, then find the value of x cube minus y cube. Okay, so the question is, if x minus y is equal to 3 and xy is equal to 40, then find the value of x cube minus y cube. So again, what is given to us? The given thing we have to write first. Okay, that is your x minus y is equal to 3. This is most important thing. Okay, given thing. Okay, so now whose value we are going to find is in power 3. So what we'll do, we'll take cube on both sides. So taking cube on both sides. So what will happen now? X minus y whole cube is equal to 3, also its whole cube. Both sides we have to take cube. So what is the formula for x minus y whole cube? We know the formula, that is your, for a minus b whole cube, what formula we have? That is your a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Okay, we have the formula a minus b whole cube, that is your a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. So same formula we are going to use here, but here in place of a here is x and in place of b there is y. So we'll just write the formula. So x cube minus y cube, okay, minus 3xy in bracket x minus y is equal to 3 power 3 is your 27. Okay, after this what we will do, we will just put the value minus what is the value of xy that is given in the question. What is the value of xy? That is your 40. So in place of xy I will keep 40. And another, what is the value of x minus y? X minus y is equal to 3. Okay, so in place of x minus y I have written here 3. So in place of xy I have written 3 from here given, and xy is equal to 40, that is also here given, is equal to 27. Okay, so now x cube minus y cube, multiply this out, how much you will get? 3 into 40 into 3, that is your 360. Okay, is equal to 27. So now what we have to do, this 360 will transfer to right hand side and we'll get the answer. Okay, after this I have written here x cube minus y cube is equal to 27 plus 360. Okay, so x cube minus y cube is equal to 27 plus 360 is your 387. So this is the value for x cube minus y cube. Okay, so based on this question I will give you some of the questions that you please practice. Okay, these questions are very easy, but you should know the formulas. Okay, so now let's see some of the questions that you can easily do yourself. Okay, so I am giving here some of the questions that you can easily do. So our question number 1 is, okay, if x plus y is equal to 15, if x plus y is equal to 15 and xy is equal to 50, then find the value of x square plus y square. Okay, if x plus y is equal to 15 and xy is equal to 50, then find the value of x square plus y square. So our second question is, if a minus b is equal to 5 and ab is equal to 75, then find the value of a square plus b square. Okay, if a minus b is equal to 5 and ab is equal to 75, then find the value of a square plus b square. Similarly, our third question is, if p plus q is equal to 8 and pq is equal to 15, then find the value of p cube plus q cube. Okay, if p plus q is equal to 8 and pq is equal to 15, then find the value of p cube plus q cube. Okay, and our last question is, if x minus y is equal to 7 and xy is equal to 9, then find the value of x cube minus y cube. Okay, so these are very easy question. Okay, based on the question that we have done. Okay, please you all try this question. I hope you can easily do. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.